What's up, guys? Good morning. It is currently, I don't even know what time it is, but today is a very exciting day, very monumental. My mattress comes today, and it's been a long time on this blow-up mattress, since like 2 weeks now, and we're finally getting the mattress today. We had a little problem with it. It got delivered at the wrong place. A lot of stuff happened. It's okay. We're here now, and I'm super excited to finally be on the mattress. What we're gonna do now is go ahead and deflate this, go ahead and put it in the closet. For now, for the time being, put my comforter somewhere, and we're gonna build the top of this. So when my mattress comes, all I have to do is lay it out. Is a moment of truth, the truth of building, and these instructions not being clear. I did have the legs backwards, so I had to undo like the whole back part and flip it and then rebuild it. So that's what you see happening here. I wanted to include it in the video because this is the reality of building things on your own and trying to figure stuff out, because the instructions are not always the best, and it doesn't highlight that certain things should be in certain positions, or maybe you just miss it because we're humans. But anywho, we're gonna go back to building because we did figure it out, and now we're just getting everything finished up. Okay, y'all, we got some groceries. Last week I tried Walmart's delivery system. This week I tried Instacart, and I chose Aldi. So we got some groceries. I hope my eggs are not broken because they were placed like this. Okay, yeah, they all look good. They a little shorty. We got some meal prepping to do because this broccoli here is cheaper. So I was like, maybe I'll just cut it myself. And we'll test that out this week and see how this works for me, like if this lasts for a week or not. Got some great potatoes. Ah! So we got some carrots, some broccoli, blueberries, garlic, 3 cloves of garlic. We have 5 peaches, some rolled oats. I got some cinnamon buns. We have chicken, yogurt, some butter, sugar. So that's my little grocery haul. I'll give y'all a little overview. I think all of this was $86, and then when you add for all like the fees for what it's called, Instacart, it was like, I left a $10 tip, like stuff like that. Why is the ISO like this? But we about to put these batteries in right now, y'all. I've been struggling with this projector. As you can see, the bed has been put up. The mattress was like 2 stops away. So that's wonderful. Let's go. Awesome. But my mattress should be here very soon. That's the next big thing. I got my groceries. I gotta fold clothes. I gotta go to the gym. I need to eat breakfast. I can eat breakfast now. I need to read my Bible. I need to edit. So we got a lot to do. I'm not gonna fold clothes until my mattress get here so I can lay it on top of that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and eat breakfast. I haven't eaten yet. Y'all, I'm sitting here putting my grocery away, and like, my mattress just delivered, so let's go get it. Working out coming in handy. I gotta unbox some other Amazon packages with y'all. I'm just waiting on 2 more packages. They might come together now. I am so happy he brought this to my door, y'all. Oh my gosh. might be easier, smarter to do it this way. That probably wasn't the smartest way to do it, but y'all, I'm trying. I'm just a girl. All right, now I think I'm gonna sit it on here and let it unravel on this. Ow! Boom. Ay. That was pretty cool. Look at my bed. Look at my bed. Hey, look at my bed. Look at my bed. Look at my bed. So I actually ended up putting my brown sugar in this, and this worked out so much better. But boom, it's in there. It kind of reminds me of like this little sand that we used to have as a kid, and you could like make stuff. That's what it feels like. But my brown sugar is done. I have a question. Is this onion bad? Okay, so I am new to like buying onions and all that. Is that okay? Like if I cut it open, is it moldy? Okay. I gotta Google how to like store most of this stuff because like I said, I'm new to buying produce. So like, do I just put this in the refrigerator? I think I'm just gonna do this next. This isn't a meal prep video. This isn't a how-to. This is just a come along. I already have some broccoli, so I'm gonna pour this in a bowl, put these at the bottom, put these on top so I can eat these first. Hi, mommy.
Hi.
So listen, I'm mad at y'all, cause why y'all ain't tell me I had to clean this? Nobody, I just told y'all, not me following, I just told y'all I was new to this, not true to this. My mama called me, she's like, what you doing, babe? I was like, oh, I'm cutting up my broccoli. She said, you cleaned it? And I said, cleaned it? I said, no, I ain't cleaned it. I don't know nothing about that. She said, babe, you gotta clean that. And I said, well, how you clean it? That one's sitting now, I stirred it up and whatever. And that batch, this batch was so dirty. It was so much black stuff. I'm so mad at y'all. Why y'all didn't tell me that? Y'all supposed to be helping your girl out. I told y'all I wasn't good at this. It was supposed to be us, but y'all disappointed me. Anyway, I am so excited. I got 2 quarter bags, y'all. Just buying one thing of broccoli for $1.85. That's a cheat code. I am gonna freeze one of these and put one in the refrigerator. Now, y'all gotta let me know, is that okay? I asked my mama, I don't remember her answer. I think she said that was fine, as long as I cleaned it and I put it up. And listen, I saved the little bottoms because I actually love broccoli cuts, and I think that's where broccoli cut come from. I don't know, but a long time ago, you used to can buy broccoli cut frozen at Walmart, and I used to only get that one. That is I love broccoli cuts. Ooh, y'all know what I might make one day? We got broccoli, we got cheese, and we got freaking rice. The freaking casserole, oh my gosh. This is my little spoon to scoop it up out the water. I can't believe y'all didn't tell me to clean this. And like, is it still dirty? Cause like, oh, I think that's just like I guess a bit of it is dying, I don't know. Broccoli. I should probably label this today's date. I'm gonna do that. A long time later, I'm finally done with all this produce stuff. So now I'm gonna eat, because Deja have not eaten anything all day, and it's 1 p.m., and that's not great. So we're gonna put all this stuff up. I wanna show you what I got. I'm just gonna clean up a little bit, because yeah, stuff is everywhere. Look at all the stuff that I got. We got 2 things of carrots. This is getting froze, and this is getting frozen. We have some carrots, some broccoli. I cut up 1 thing of onion. It was that one that had that stuff on it. I took that top layer off and I went ahead and cut this one up. These things are gonna go in the pantry, and the peaches are going in the refrigerator. So yes, I think for my very first time dealing with produce, that's a good start. And my system is definitely not cute, but it's gonna have to work. Now I'm gonna get my lunch out because we're definitely finna eat. I'm definitely hungry. If y'all have any tips for me though, when it comes to all of this, please drop it down below. Probably can't even hear me, never mind. All right, y'all, so I am done cleaning up the kitchen. Now I'm about to fold up these clothes. And once I'm done folding these clothes, we are going to read the Bible. It's been a while. I went ahead and ate my lunch like I told y'all. It's currently 2:15. And after we read the Bible, we're gonna go to the gym. Now I might get a little bit of footage for y'all there, but not much. I'm still pretty nervous. Normally there's nobody there, but I just be zoned in, put my headphones on. I really gotta watch a video on how to fold clothes. Like, I just do not remember how my mom taught me. We're about to finally make up this bed, and then we're gonna read the Bible, and then the gym. I'm not repeating it for y'all, I'm repeating it for me. Just letting y'all know that. I don't think y'all crazy. Oh my God, there's a pocket on the side? That is so freaking cool. What can I keep right there? My remote? Y'all see the little pocket? The little pocket. Oh my gosh, I freaking love it. I have to get new pillows. I need 2 pillows so I can have the orange. Ah. I love it so much. All I need now is a nightstand on this side. The white from my desk ties it in so well. I can't wait for the rest of my stuff to come. It should be here today. I'm actually finna go ahead and read my Bible, then I'm gonna go into the gym. I'm hoping that after I leave the gym, my package is here and we can unbox that package. Is that good? The very first thing, my auntie, she wanted to get me a housewarming gift, so she got me 2 items. And thank you so much. She already showed me what this is. Look how cute this is. And it matches my room perfect. So this is like the perfect thing to put on my desk because it's gonna add some colors, but she kind of spoiled me because now I don't want this no more. Like, auntie, I know you're gonna be watching this. I am going to switch this out. And this just looks so much better. It keeps the light thing. Oh my God. My desk is not completely set up, as you know, because I am waiting on IT to call me. Again, thank you so much, Auntie. The next thing she got me, this was what I asked when she asked me what I wanted. I'm gonna put a picture here. This is what it's supposed to look like. I don't know if I'm gonna build it today. Yeah, we're not building that today. So the next thing we have, I did already open it because I needed my sunscreen. I ran out of sunscreen. And guys, I am on the lookout for a new sunscreen because my black girl magic, I think, is breaking out my face because I'm on Curology right now. My face was doing totally fine. When I'm doing all my skincare, everything feels good. But every time the morning comes and I get to my sunscreen, my face is oily. This, I wore for the first time today, and no oiliness, way better. Next, y'all, Tide. Remember we were talking about protection? Your girl got some protection, y'all. Something just fell, don't know what it was. Now the knife is if they get close. Now they're a little far away and they got some distance. We got the pepper spray with the alarm on it. Next thing is something my mom actually sent me. I'll put a picture here on the screen because I'm not building this today either, so this is what it looks like. I tell you, I take trash out, new trash combo. Like, I took that mattress thing out. I have trash now. I have a big old box here. I have this box that's empty now. Like, bro, I can't keep the place clean. I'm gonna go ahead and relax. We'll come back and eat dinner and we'll end the night together. I mean, clearly it was good. That was so good, bro. I was like, dang, do I want some more? Like, I ate that in probably like 2.3 seconds. Like, I ate that so fast. I was so hungry. One thing about cooking, there always gonna be an aftermath. Now, I was cleaning as I was going, but boo, we still got, and I gotta chop these meats up. I should have did it earlier. So we got our hands full. I think I'm gonna just actually go ahead and go do this so I can get it over with, cause your girl wanna go take a shower.